Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, which is cool, but it's 2:20. I had to take a really cold shower to try to wake up. It definitely helped. I'm definitely awake. It was miserable. If you've never done that before, be warned, it's bad. So today I'm going back up to Moses Lake. Just like yesterday. I'm not sure what we're doing, but hopefully I'm not up there too long, because I don't want to get up at 1:45 and work 14 hours. 9 or 10 would be fine with me, but I'm gonna get to work and pre-trip the truck, and then we're gonna head up to Moses Lake. It's about a hour 45, 2-hour drive or so, and we'll get going from there. Okay, it's 2:55 and we are ready to go. So before I go, I want to fill up my water tank, because the guys at, or the plant at Moses Lake, the little hose thingy takes forever, so I'd rather just fill it up here where it's quicker. So I'm gonna grab some water. And there's something else I was gonna do. No, I don't remember now. But anyway, I'll get ready to go, and then it's really dark and hard to see anything, so I probably won't record very much until the sun comes up. So it's about a 2-hour drive up to Moses Lake, and then we'll see what sort of jobs they have going for us up there. Well, the sun's almost coming up, so that's nice. It's a little after 5. We're just pulling into the other plant here. Oh, so it was a long, boring drive, not much to look at. It's all farms and stuff. So we got a couple of trucks down here getting loaded. I think we're gonna swing around and grab fuel, because it takes about a half a tank to get up here. So we'll swing around and grab fuel, and then probably get loaded right away. And I've been here before, but the two guys with me have not been here, so it's gonna be sort of a learning process for them today. I came with 2 other guys yesterday, but I'm not sure why they didn't just come back today. I don't know, but whatever. So I'm gonna pull up to the fuel pump and we'll get going. I got loaded, this Junior in front of me, and backed up to this little rack. I don't know if you can see those guys. They're throwing in some sort of additive. I don't know what they're doing. I mean, they're putting bags in the drum, but I don't know what it is. They're wearing gas masks, so that's fun. We got going up to the airport, doing something near the airport, but we got 190 yards and I'm 120, so a couple rounds probably. You can see those guys. There we go. They're putting a lot of that stuff in there. I don't know what that is. I've never seen that before. Alright. He gave me the old thumbs up, so get out of here. Make sure I don't hit anything. We gotta get up this giant hill. Yeah, sorry about that beeping. There's nothing I can do about it. That's just the little the buzzer that lets me know my axles are moving on the back there, so I don't accidentally put them down and hit stuff. I don't know. It's gonna take about 20-25 minutes to get there for this load, and he said there's a pump waiting for us when we get there. But like I said, I'm the 12th truck of 19, so there's gonna be guys in front of me. Never been to this place before. You know, I'm not familiar at all with this area. It's 2 hours away from where we normally work, but we'll figure it out. I'll check in with you guys when we get there. Well, we're getting close to the job. I can see the pump from here, but the map says I have to go up another 1.5 miles before I turn. And I wonder if that's accurate. This looks like a construction entrance right here, so I'm gonna check this out, but there's a guy behind me. Go around me, man. Gee whiz. Can't you see I don't know what I'm doing? 82. Oh, maybe that's what happened. The dispatcher told me 8284, and this is 8248. So he might have just had a little case of dyslexia a little bit, and that's why my map is telling me I'm going somewhere different. Oh man, yeah, here we go. All right. Let's see, what are we doing? Yeah, it's just a big slab. See, this guy's at the pump, and we got 2 trucks waiting. I will just get in line and we'll wait for our turn, no problem. Alright, it's been about 15-20 minutes and we're next, so I'm gonna go get the truck ready. What's he doing? Oh, he hasn't even backed up yet. Okay. Alright, I go check the slump and get the truck ready to go. What's up, man? What are you pouring, about a 6? All right. Pouring like a 6.5.
You recording videos again?
Yeah. He said, the dispatcher said we'll probably have this one and then maybe one more in Othello and then just go home from there. So it should be a quick day.
What did they throw inside the truck?
I don't know.
I've never seen that.
Me neither.
Not just said it was fiber, but I was like, it's not fiber.
No, it was powder. Yeah. And they put a ton of it in there.
I think it was a bag for a yard or something like that.
At least. They were wearing respirators and stuff too. I don't know what that was.
Well, the people said like concrete hardening, so I don't know, maybe it dries up.
Oh, maybe that's what it was. Wonder how that's different than NCA or something.
This course is like before, haven't we? For pop-off?
Pop-off? Yeah.
What is this?
I don't know. I thought it was part of the airport, but there's all these pipes and stuff. I don't know. Isn't it kind of weird how much we don't know?
Yeah.
What's that stuff they put in the drum? I don't know. Where are we? I don't know.
Go where they tell us
Yeah.
to, whatever you guys do.
If you know what that powder stuff they put in, Junior said it was some kind of concrete hardener. But I've been driving mixers for almost 5 years and I've never seen that before. So if you know what that stuff is, let me know. It's our turn, so we're gonna get back to the pump. GoPro doesn't fit on my hard hat. All I did was I got back to the pump and I put 10 gallons of water in and I rolled a little bit out so the pump driver could see it, and he said it looked all right, so we're ready to go. We're done. Hey, did you guys see where they're washing out? They're going around? Now I gotta figure out where I'm going to wash out. I see some concrete splatters on the ground, so I'm gonna assume I'm going the right way. Somebody's chute was dripping a little bit when they came down this road, so I know at least one truck has been down this way. I'm just following the concrete splatter. I don't know where I'm going. There it is. All right. Yeah, they're really finicky about where you wash out. Something about environmental regulations or something, I don't know. That's gonna be the theme of this episode, is I don't know. I'm just gonna wash the truck down real quick and we'll head back. Okay. All done. It just occurred to me that I have no idea how to get back to the yard. So I'm gonna have to look that up. All right, pulling back into the yard. Looks like one guy is getting ready to load, so I'm gonna go park in the little staging area and we'll figure out what we're doing next. looks like he's gonna load. So we'll go figure it out. All right, I went and talked to dispatch, and he said, yeah, we're gonna go down to that job down south a little bit, and just head straight back to Benton City from there. And then back in Benton City, probably around 11. I'm just guessing. And since it's Friday and contractors love ordering concrete on Friday afternoon, we'll probably get loaded again when we get down there and take one more trip, but we'll see. So we're just gonna wait for this guy to finish up, and then we'll back under and head out from there. All right, got loaded 10 yards. Looks like we're the only truck going out there. So it'll be about 30 minutes back the direction we need to go anyway to go home. So that'll be better. It'll only be a little over an hour getting back once we're done. So about a 30-minute drive to the job site this time. I'm not sure what to expect once we get there, other than the fact that it's not a very big bore. It's only 10 yards total, so it'll probably be a smaller crew, maybe a driveway, sidewalk, something like that. But I'll check in with you when we get there. Oh man. Woo. I gotta settle down. I just blew a steer tire. That was intense. I'm driving along going about 60 miles an hour, and then boom. I slowed down as quick as I could, as safely as I could, but it was getting pretty squirrely there towards the end. I think my rim's probably done. Whew. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh. Well, that sucks. And my drum's probably gonna be done too. It's gonna take hours to get, oh man. I got 10 yards of concrete on. I got hours I'm gonna be sitting here. Oh man. They're gonna have to cut my drum apart. Oh man, this is bad. At least I got service out here. Hey April, it's Jacob. Hey, I just blew a steer tire. Uh-oh. Yeah. I'm fully loaded. I got 10 yards on.
You are okay, right?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
A little shake it up.
Yeah, that was like an explosion going off. Whew. I'm telling you, that was intense. I don't know if any of you guys ever blew a tire before, but especially a steer tire with a fully loaded mixer, man. I'm glad I didn't flip. You blow a steer tire going 60 in a fully loaded mixer, guys flip. It happens. I'm lucky. That tire's not lucky though. Hey, it's Jacob. Hey, I'm not gonna make it to that job in Othello, man. I just blew a steer tire.
Seriously?
Yep.
Did you call your work?
Yeah, I did. Just now, but I figured.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I got pulled over, okay.
Okay, alright, I'll get another 10 yards on the road. You
Yeah.
can jump it when you get back, huh?
Yeah, yeah, man. Sorry about that.
Alright, no problem. Thank
All right. I'm gonna put some water in the drum, at least attempt to save the drum, but I don't know, man. It's gonna be 95, 96 degrees here pretty soon. Yeah, see all that stuff right there? Usually that gets rinsed off when you start pouring, so it's not a big deal, but I'm not pouring. I just don't want my drum to get all messed up. I also don't want to leave a puddle on the road. I don't want to get in trouble. Hey, the tire guy just showed up. It's a pretty good time actually. I was only here for about an hour. The mud's doing okay. I'm just letting water get in there every now and then just to keep the slump around to 5 so it doesn't turn into anything crazy. And there's a gas station up here a few miles, so I'm gonna stop in there and grab a few 2 liters of Coca-Cola and dump that in there, because the sugar will counteract the chemical reaction of the concrete. So basically sugar kills the concrete. So I'm still about a little over an hour outside of Benton City, so I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen a tire change before, so it's nothing terribly exciting, but we're gonna change both steer tires, and then I'll check in with you when we are on our way to the gas station over here. Okay, it's 10:30 and we got a brand new set of steer tires on the front. For some reason, my headlight went out when the tire popped. I don't know why, but it wasn't even the same side headlight as the other side. But other than that, everything seems fine. I was able to keep the mud at about a 5-inch slump. I think I only put in maybe 30 or 40 gallons, so I got plenty more if I need to put it in there, but I'm gonna stop at this little store up here, like I said, and see if we can find some sugar to throw in there. Find a spot to get out of the way a little bit and go find some sugar. Bingo. And since I'm here, bingo and bingo. Oh boy, this sounds like it's getting a little hard. Yeah, so what's this? 4 pounds? I'm not sure how much I need, but I'm just gonna dump the whole thing in there. Oh yeah, go sugar, go! Wash it all down. I got an air freshener and a Monster. That's what's up. People gotta know I'm coming. When I get to the job and they smell vanilla, they know who it is. Oh yeah. Did I just do that? Is it all dirty already? Good Lord. That did not just happen. You gotta be. Really with this? I guess I could go back inside and get some super glue or something. Okay, I called dispatch and let them know that I'm back on the road and everything's okay. Except for my headlight and my sun visor apparently, but it's still, everything's okay. So I had put the 4 pounds of sugar in there. Slump's looking good. It's like a pretty close to a 7 right now, and I've only got about an hour left before I can get back and dump it out. So I think we're okay. That went, for blowing a steer tire, that went about as well as you could possibly hope for. So I'm really thankful about that. So I'm gonna get back on the road and I'll check in with you guys when we get back to Benton City. Okay, the adventure, it seems, has come to a close. At least for now. I'm pulling back into the yard safe and sound with a functional truck and concrete that hasn't turned into solid rock quite yet. Looks like that sugar did the trick, kept it wet. I pulled over twice on the way back just to add 15-20 gallons, but finally back in the yard. I got 5-hour-old mud, which it's bad, but it could be worse. So I'm just gonna stop in here to the office and see, just talk to them, check in, see what they want me to do. Okay, checked in with the office and let them know that I was back and showed them the pictures of the tire. They're really curious what happened with the tire. You know, they don't like it when when one of their steer tires blows. That's not good. So anyway, they said go ahead and dump it out, and then I'm gonna get a quick rinse. I might get loaded again, I'm not sure. Just clocked out. I got 58 hours this week. So like I've said in my videos before, summer's busy for us. We get 50 to 60 hours a week in the summer and right around 40 in the winter. But that's it for me. I'm heading home. Say see you tomorrow.